Hi guys, welcome back to Huson DIY. Mine's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we are going to make some resin letters and dog tags. Let's get to it.
Okay, as Matilda says, we're making some resin letters for some new keyrings and some dog tags. So just a couple of things first, just what I want to mention, then Matilda will show you what we're using. We're using Craft Resin, as usual. We love this stuff, it comes out amazing every single time, never a problem. 1-to-1 ratio of the resin and the hardener, all perfect, A and B in there, so we'll be using that. Matilda is going to go through now what we're going to use for the keyring letters and the dog tags, so go for it, Matilda.
So we've got some letters for the keyrings. Me and my dad have both got gloves. We've got a cup to put the resin in, some mixing sticks, some powder.
So we've got the Mica powder from Craft Resin as well. What colours have you chosen, Matilda?
Yellow and turquoise.
So the yellow is for?
And the dog tags.
Dog tags, and the turquoise is for the?
Letters.
Letters, perfect.
We've got some dog tags, some letters, and some glitter. I haven't chosen it yet though.
So we're going to put some glitter in there as well, give it a nice sparkle. So we're going to put these little letters, the tiny little letters and numbers, just all jumbled up. So we'll use them probably in the key letters, but not in the dog tags. No. So what we'll do now is we'll put the camera down, we'll mix all the resin up with our gloves on, so we're nice and safe. Mix that up, and then we can split it using the big jug and the little jug. We'll use a little jug for the dog tags and the big jug to pour into the letters. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've stirred the resin, give that a good stir now for 2 or 3 minutes, it's all combined. We'll let it settle so the bubbles can come to the top and come out of the resin. Matilda has chosen some of the glitters to go in. What have you chosen, Matilda?
Apple green.
Apple green, which one's that going in, the letters or the tags?
Tags.
Tags.
And then lavender.
Lavender.
For the letters.
So lavender and turquoise together.
Yep.
And yellow and apple green together.
Yep.
Ooh, good colours. Perfect. So what we'll do now, we'll go back to the time lapse. We'll add the colours in and then we'll get pouring into these. I'm going to do the letters and Matilda is going to pour into the tags, into the dog tags.
Let's do this. They're all done. They're going to sit overnight. See you tomorrow.
Okay, so it's a night after they've had a full day. Oops, right, Matilda?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've had a full day. So a night and a full day, and it's now nearly 9 o'clock at night. So they've really had loads of time to cure. So they've gone really hard, Matilda?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Rock hard.
Rock hard, haven't they? So they've been out in the workshop where it's been really warm all day. So obviously with resin, it cures quicker when it's in a warmer environment because it needs to be warm, or it warms up through the process. I don't know the full technical details, but it does help being in a warm position. In the winter when we've got our fire, so what we usually do is pop it in front of the fire to make it cure faster in front of the fire. That really does help. So Matilda now, she's going to pop them all out and then we're going to have a look at them. There might be a few that we need to trim because we've got
definitely F.
definitely
yeah.
F. We've gone over on F. Now, these ones look fine.
Yeah.
Just to say on these ones on the dog tags, we've left, Matilda didn't do them to the top. What we're going to do, we're going to put a little NFC tag in these. So that's a tag where you can add information to. So the idea is for the dog tags, the owner can put the mobile number on it. So if you find a dog, you can scan its tag and you can get the dog owner's number from the tag. So we'll pop them out and we will do that. I might show that on video, do a time lapse of me doing that. But yeah, let's get them popped out and see what they look like. Okay, Matilda's popped them all out. Which one is your favourite, Matilda?
The teddy.
The teddy, look cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'll show it to this camera here.
Yeah, the other camera. And we have shown it on the camera too.
Yeah. So the letters, we put some little letters in, the little tiny little letters, and mix it into the resin. Some of them look great, some of them don't have many on, but they all look really good.
I got something to say. The Z is ruined because it doesn't have any letters on it, look.
Not at all.
Just glitter.
Okay. So that's all the letters out, the dog tags out. Like I said before, I need to put all the key rings into these, so I need to drill a hole in each one. So when I do these, I've got some others to do, so I'll do them at the same time and do a bit of a time lapse. So basically what I do is use a little drill with my Dremel tool, drill a hole in there, into one part of each letter, and then screw a key ring into it. So we'll do that for all these. I think there's 3 lots of 26, so we've done 3 lots of resin. So I'll show some clips from all of them. And then obviously the dog tags, like I said, we're going to put a little NFC sticker in there, and then I'm going to put some clear resin over the top of it to seal it in. And then we'll probably do a custom name on the front for another pet with vinyl. Again, I'll try and show that, do a little bit of a time lapse of that work. So yeah, that's looking really good. Okay, so we're all done now, all done and dusted with the key rings and the dog tags. Obviously we included more of the key rings in the video with the time lapse of making the key rings. All done. So yeah, came out really well with that Craft Resin as usual. We'll put some links in the description to the Craft Resin products on Amazon. So yeah, overall really enjoyed making them. Do you enjoy making them, Matilda?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Anything else, Matilda?
Please like and subscribe. Bye.